Welcome back to 7-Minute Cash Craft, where we turn ideas into income. Today, we're diving into the top digital products of 2024 and 2025. An ever-evolving landscape where innovation meets opportunity. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned side hustler, or simply curious about the latest trends, this video is your roadmap to the most profitable digital products of the year. Let's get started. First up, online courses continue to dominate the digital landscape. In 2024, the demand for specialized knowledge is stronger than ever. Courses on AI tools, data science, and digital marketing are leading the charge, catering to professionals looking to stay ahead in their careers. With platforms like Teachable and Udemy, or even subscription-based models, it's easier than ever to share your expertise and earn a substantial income. The key is to focus on a niche where you have deep knowledge and passion. eBooks. Evergreen content? Next, let's talk about eBooks. These digital books remain a favorite because they're versatile and easy to distribute. In 2024, eBooks on trending topics like crypto investing, remote work strategies, and sustainable living are in high demand. Publishing your ebook is straightforward with platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. The secret to success? Choose a niche with a passionate audience and provide them with valuable insights or solutions. 3 software and apps, the digital toolbox. Software and apps are where true innovation happens. From AI-powered project management tools to personalized fitness apps, is all about creating solutions that enhance productivity and well-being. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team focusing on solving specific problems can lead to lucrative opportunities. Simplicity often wins the day. If your app makes life easier, it'll find its market. 4. Templates and printables. Time-saving tools. Templates and printables are another booming market. These pre-designed tools save users time, whether they're managing social media content, planning their week, or designing their home office. Platforms like Etsy and Canva make it easy to create and sell everything from content calendars to custom Notion templates. The goal is to provide value and help others streamline their tasks, offering something that stands out in a crowded marketplace. 5. Digital art and graphics. Creativity unleashed. Digital art and graphics are thriving, especially with the rise of NFTs and AI-generated art. There's a growing demand for unique, customizable digital assets that capture attention. Whether you're creating branding kits for startups or launching your own NFT collection, the key is to offer something that resonates with your audience and taps into current trends. 6. Membership sites. Membership sites are perfect for building a community and generating recurring revenue. We're seeing a rise in exclusive educational content, fitness communities, and niche investment groups. Platforms like Patreon and Memberful make it easy to create a membership site where you can offer ongoing value and foster long-term relationships with your audience. Quality stock photos and videos are in constant demand by marketers, bloggers, and content creators. You can create and sell these on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or even your own website. Create and sell printable planners, journals, and habit trackers that users can download and print at home. These can be tailored to specific audiences, like fitness enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, or students. If you have web design skills, you can create and sell themes and templates for platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace. These are popular among bloggers, e-commerce businesses, and corporate websites. Develop specialized online tools and calculators that serve a specific purpose, such as budgeting tools, SEO analyzers, or health calculators. These can be monetized through subscriptions, ads, or one-time purchases. Curate and create content for digital magazines or newsletters that cater to niche interests or industries. Organize and sell tickets to virtual events, workshops, or webinars. These can range from educational sessions to networking events. Create pre-designed social media graphics, content calendars, and post templates that businesses and influencers can customize and use across platforms. Offer one-on-one or group coaching programs delivered digitally. These can focus on personal development, business strategy, fitness, or any other area of expertise. If you have the skills, developing and selling mobile games can be a lucrative venture. You can monetize through in-app purchases, ads, or premium versions. Offer personalized coaching or consulting sessions in your area of expertise, delivered digitally via video calls or online platforms. Create and sell comprehensive workbooks or study guides for students or professionals preparing for exams, certifications, or skill development. Focus on high-demand subjects or niche areas where there's a lack of quality resources, and include interactive elements to enhance learning. Develop and sell scripts, bots, or automation that help businesses streamline processes like customer support, marketing, or data analysis. Produce and sell a series of podcasts or individual episodes on a specific topic, offering exclusive content or insights. Create and sell virtual goods for online games, such as skins, avatars, or in-game currencies. This is particularly popular in games with large online communities. As we've seen, 2024 is packed with opportunities in the digital product space. Whether you're an expert, creator, or entrepreneur, there's a digital product waiting for you to bring it to life. Start exploring these ideas today and turn your passions into profit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 7-Minute Cashcraft for more tips on building your digital empire. Your next big idea is just a click away.